Welcome back to another episode of Project Manager Wisdom. I hope to earn your like and your subscription. I read every comment and appreciate the time you put into them. A few weeks ago, I was having dinner with a friend of mine who had a big problem with his project management office. My friend had been successfully delivering projects every 3 months, but a new project management was brought in and a new PMO with new processes put into place. The next 2 projects delivered in 6 months, double the time of what was expected. He gave me some more details and asked for some help, and I told him exactly what he needed to do. Let's find out. My good friend, who happens to be a very successful and well-qualified mechanical engineer, was faced with a big problem. The newly implemented project management office was onboarded into an organization that did have a history of successful deliveries. However, the new project managers insisted on implementing out-of-the-box methodologies, constraining his existing successful processes to a generic and rather basic one. The problem was not that a project management office was put into place. The problem was that it was implemented with the wrong attitude and the lack of understanding of the organization's current successful processes. Obviously, there was a communication breakdown with this new PMO that was onboarded, so here's the advice that I gave to my friend. I advised him to document the process that had been successful prior to the implementation of the new PMO. He, in fact, had never done this before since his team had a history of success and familiarity with what they were doing. I suggested to him to structure his documentation in line with what a PMO could or should want. Include stage gates and milestones, define deliverables, sequences of activities, dependencies, and so on. Then, create a responsibility matrix for the activities and all the deliverables. My friend interrupted me. He says, "But that's their job," he said. No. I corrected him. I said it's your job to communicate your knowledge to the PMO, and it's the PMO's responsibility to execute and manage that process. If they don't know, they can't help you, and you'll stay stuck with what you got now. Yes, it will take some effort now, but you are in control of defining that process, and after you define it, the PMO will take on the effort of execution. That will free you up to do higher value activities like engineering, design, and most importantly, employee development. If you think this is good advice, give this video a thumbs up. And for more project management wisdom, subscribe and follow. Check out previous episodes and get project management tools at howtoprojectmanage.com.